Today's Library, here with another Kids Club Kit activity. Today we're going to make a solar s'mores oven. That's right, with the power of the sun and some science, we're going to make our homemade solar oven that's going to make us some delicious s'mores. So everyone's kit includes a pizza box, a plastic page protector, a piece of black construction paper, a wooden dowel, tin foil, a glue stick, and s'mores ingredients. So let's get into it. Okay. The very first thing you'll want to do is take your pizza box, and with scissors or a craft knife, you want to cut a flap into the lid, just like that. So that's the lid, you want to cut a flap. Now make sure the flap is smaller than the page protector there. Okay, perfect. So next we're going to cover it with foil. So everyone's going to get some aluminum foil. So make sure the shiny side, we're going to glue it on there. We want the shiny side facing out so it can reflect the sun. So let's do that. Great, we have the lid covered. Next we're going to put tin foil in the bottom of that. So we'll just open that up there. Okay, let's glue that down. Great, let's have a look. So we have our reflective lid there, and then we have reflective in the bottom. Next step for our solar oven is we're going to take our black piece of construction paper, and we're going to glue that on top of the tin foil there. Let's do that. Perfect, have a look. Very good, okay. So we've got our different layers. The next step is we have to seal up this hole we made there. We're going to seal it with the plastic screen or page protector, because this is going to create a greenhouse effect. So when the sun reflects off the lid down towards our oven, it's going to heat up our s'mores, and that heat's going to stay in there because we're going to seal it with this plastic. So you can glue it on. I'm going to use some tape because my hole, I made it a bit big, so I just want to tape it on to make sure it seals nice and good. So let's do that. Okay, all sealed up. Let's have a look. So that's what it looks like from the inside. Now if we close up our pizza box and open our flap, oh. Ta-da! Here we go. So we got our reflective solar powered panel there. And we now have this section all sealed with the plastic. Now it's s'mores time! So, this is where the pizza box shines. We get to open that back up and assemble our s'mores. So I'm just gonna do a couple here. Take your graham cracker. That goes at the bottom. Great, then you're going to take your chocolate, break that in half, chocolate there, and then marshmallows. So just like that, you don't want to put another graham cracker on top of your s'mores because it probably won't melt quite right in the sun. So hopefully you guys can see that on the camera. So we're going to close this up. Look at that. So you can see there, you can see our s'mores whoop, through the window there. Let me fix that guy. Got away from me. Great. So we are ready to put our s'mores solar oven into the sun. So hopefully it's a sunny day. The sunnier day, the better. You want to face your foil reflective panel so the sun's pointing right at it. Then we want to angle it down just like so, so the sun reflects to the panel and then that heat and sun bounce back down into our oven. So that's what the wooden dowel's for, is to prop this open just like that. Perfect. So I'm gonna go put this in the sun. I'll meet you outside. Hi, we're outside. It's a sunny day and our s'mores oven is perfectly set up for action here. So the sun is directly shining right towards the solar panel here. That sun and heat is going to bounce off right into our s'mores oven and that's gonna melt it. So it might take a couple hours, be patient, but once those marshmallows start melting and bubbling, you know it's ready. Thanks, good luck with your solar oven.